Hello, beautiful people. This is me. I'm your host, and today I'm gonna be talking about the L'Oréal Paris Labs products, meaning products which are widely accessible in a drugstore, but there are alternatives to the one which you can find in the Derm Labs. L'Oréal is one of those brands which is seen everywhere, and they do come up with innovative products. Their Revitalift line be around for a while. A couple years ago they come up with the Revitalift Bright Reveal, and face of that campaign was J.Lo. At that time they come up with 4 products, and I'm gonna insert picture somewhere on the screen so you can take a look. It was their Brightening Daily Scrub Cleanser, so pretty much face wash, their Brightening Peels, their peel pads with glycolic acid, the moisturizer with SPF, and also the overnight moisturizer with 4% glycolic acid. Now, from those 4 items, I tried 3 of them. I do enjoy the glycolic pads, and I'm trying, I should say I did try this one. The moisturizer with SPF, it was a moisturizer with SPF, it was nothing special. This one comes with 2 chambers, so you have the glycolic acid in one and then moisturizer on the other. So when you pump it, you can easily mix them up. I don't know if they still make it. I have this one for a little bit, so possible I'm gonna get rid of it after this video. However, the product which I do enjoy, and you saw me talking about it a lot, are their 10%, let me open up, it's still brand new, the 10% glycolic acid peels. Acid, it's a form of chemical which removes the dead layer of your skin, bringing up the nice and fresher, good looking one. So this one, okay, let me just read you from the box. Here we go, has the glycolic acid, and there are multi-textured pads, 10% glycolic acid, and I believe it's 20 of them. It has 30 pads, and the pads by themselves are kind of big. So if you're really on a budget, you can even cut them in half. The pads are wonderful while you travel, or let's say if you're sensitive and you don't use the acid every night, you can just use one of the pads every couple days, and I do like it, so I try to stack up. However, this product, it's harder and harder for me to find, and I'm not surprised because recently, or I should say now it's gonna be few months, L'Oréal, they come up with more items, and let me go over them so you can be more familiar. One of their first items was the hyaluronic acid, which comes in a glass bottle. This one is empty because I already used it up. This is brand new one, and yes, comes in a nice chic package. And what it does, okay, it's 1.5% hyaluronic acid. What does hyaluronic acid do? It keeps hydration inside your skin, so it's gonna look more nice and plumper and more juicier. But let me read you the claim from the box. 1.5 pure hyaluronic acid serum replenishes moisture for plumper, youthful, supple skin with bounce. Lightweight serum absorbs quickly with no tacky residue. And similar as previously, yeah, you can apply this day, or I should say morning and evening, it's up to you. However, you wanna apply moisturizer afterwards. After you apply this, don't forget to put your moisturizer. So yes, this one is 1.5%, and the newest addition to it are the little ampoules, which yes, you have 7 of them. Why? Because 7 days of the week. So technically you're gonna use one every single day. Yeah, let's say every day. If you want, it's gonna be hard, I'm taking out. Okay, because those are the ampoules, so we're gonna break them down, and really, you got the little ampoules. Once you break it down, you're gonna apply it, but the ampoules are quite big, so you can easily maybe save it for 2 uses. Now, this one you can use every day. This one, because it's stronger, I will say use only while you have to, or I should say if your skin is really dehydrated, needs some boost, or if you have special occasion. And here we go. Replenishes ampoules. After one ampoule, skin looks smoother, fresher, revitalized, hydrated, softer and comfortable. And then here's a picture before and after uses. And maybe not because it doesn't want to focus. So pretty much it's this product but on a steroids. Next item in that collection is their vitamin C. This is a 10%. It comes in a tube. It's a metal tube with a dispenser. The nice thing about it, it's a stable vitamin C, so it's not gonna oxidize. And because it comes in a tube, the air doesn't really get inside, and it does feels nice. So okay, so let's see what they claim. Oh, in general, vitamin C, it's gonna work with discoloration, and also it's gonna brighten your skin. Now let's check the claims. 10% pure vitamin C, and C brighten more youthful radiance, unveils more vibrant skin, revive produces fine lines. Oh, now refines for smoother feeling skin. Okay. What we got here? Oh, talking about the vitamin C. Vital antioxidant naturally found in skin. Proven to boost radiance and neutralize free radicals that lead to aging. Powerful but highly unstable molecule degrades when exposed to air, light and water. Okay, so that's the regular vitamin C, but with this one is formulated without water, so it's not gonna change the color, it's not gonna try to oxidize. Protectively sealed in airtight metal tube until ready to use. True. Produced in controlled conditions to minimize oxygen exposure. Okay, so let's do a little backtrack. Hyaluronic acid, you can use it morning and evening. Vitamin C, because it works with free radicals, it's better to use in the morning. And of course you want to apply your sunblock, because there's no point of vitamin C fighting for you. Well, you know what, you skip the sunblock and you're gonna cause more damage. The next thing which they come up was their glycolic acid in a bottle. As you already know, I do enjoy acids, but I prefer, I do like the one in pads. However, they're harder and harder to find, and I'm not gonna be surprised because they come up with this item, which is glycolic acid in a liquid form. And yes, comes in a similar container but with a different color, so it's gonna be easier for you to recognize them on a shelf. And yes, it still has the little pipette, and what it does, 10% pure glycolic acid serum, so it's the same dosage. Visibly even skin tone reduce wrinkles. And then we have daily exfoliating serum with 10% pure glycolic acid. Re-energized by dermatologists as an effective exfoliant to reveal more even younger looking skin. And this one also has aloe to suit your skin. Aloe, plant-derived botanical extract. Okay, so seeds, soothing benefits. And in general what it does after the uses. And on the back it explains it to you what it's gonna do afterwards. So let's say after 4 weeks, fine lines and wrinkles are visibly reduced, skin appears healthy and younger looking. Okay, so like the vitamin C, use it in the morning. This one, because it's more, okay, it's good to use it in the evening, because vitamin C in the morning and then the peeling in the evening, yeah, exfoliation in the evening, but you still want to apply SPF, so please don't forget about it. I'm keep mentioning sunblock because there are 2 proven ingredients which will anti-age your skin. So first is the sunblock, the other is the retinol, but you still have to use them in a conjunction. And the sun causes majority of the damage on our skin. But talking about the retinols, yes, I do like them. Most of the time they come in a tube, so let's say with pumps. How you supposed to use them? Clean your face, put the cream, and then wait like 20 minutes and you can apply the rest of your skincare. But the new thing which L'Oreal come up with are their drops. So let's say I get used to applying the creams. Now they come in a pipette, which is nice, at least for me, because instead of, let's say, me waiting for like 20 minutes, now maybe it's like 10 or 15, so at least I can shorten down my routine. Okay, let's see what they claim. Night serum. Visibly reduce even deep wrinkle smooth texture. Okay, it has 0.3% of retinol, which is good because that's the safest choice, or I should say that's the safest harbor, and you're still gonna receive the same results in a longer term. And then let's say in 2 weeks, deep wrinkles start to appear less visible. Skin is smoother, softened, complexion is brightened, and skin is more radiant. And then with continued use, wrinkles, even deep ones, continue to improve. Skin appears healthy and younger. Now, retinol is one of those things which your skin needs to get used to. You don't want to start using this every single night. Let's say maybe start once or twice a week and then slowly progress. The nice thing which I like is that the company did explain how you're supposed to use it. So let's say week 1, use 2 nights per week. Week 2, use every other night. Week 3, use nightly as tolerated. But they still give you a warning. Now, from all those items, let me just gather them around. That's a nice view. And as you can see for yourself, because of different colors, it's gonna be easier for you to recognize them on your bathroom shelf. Okay, let's go one by one. With hyaluronic acid, you know what? If you are on a lookout for a new one, or if it's on sale, give it a try. Otherwise, there are many different brands which are making hyaluronic acid. With glycolic acid, it's more up to you. If you're traveling a lot, the pads are way easier because the bottle can break. And also, if you know you're gonna use it every night, just easily go with the bottle because you're getting a better deal. If your skin needs some, let's say, a boost because you have too many long nights, too much drinking, and you want to look presentable, you know what, give it a try for the Ampoules. And obviously you want to start using a retinol, and because the small dosage, it's good for everyone in a safe, okay, it's good for everyone, but within limitations, so just be careful. And don't forget to use sunblock with all of the products, because there is no point of you trying to repair your skin while you're gonna damage with the sun. And talking about the sun, also vitamin C. I do enjoy vitamin C because I have pigmentations, and I like this one because it's different than the previous one which I use. Like with the liquids, I have to keep worry about, okay, if it's still good to use, or if it change color. With this one, because it's still, guess what, I have no such an issue. Vitamin C, because it will brighten your skin and also work, I should say, fight those free radicals. But don't forget to put sunblock. Okay, hopefully this review was a little helpful, and if you guys have any questions, leave them below, or even if you tried them, you know what, let me know. Okay, I see you next time. Bye.